Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the calming techniques in the Parents application, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. After you open the app, you should see at the bottom of the screen the last option is library. Click on it, and now the first option at the top of the screen is calm. You have to click on it, and it says relaxation techniques for parents, explore essential tools for maintaining emotional balance. So here are right now 3 autogenic training for daily use: cardiac coherence, white noise. And if you want to listen to one of them, you have to click on the open. Here you can see some description about it presented by and the episodes. You can see that there are 3, and if you want, you have to click on the get free access, unlock for free, and now you can start listening to this episode. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.